In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert coins to USDT in BingX. Let's dive right in. First, you need to navigate to the BingX platform. BingX is a comprehensive cryptocurrency exchange and social trading platform that enables users to engage in various trading activities. To get started, open your preferred web browser and type in the official BingX website URL. Once you're there, the first thing to do is locate the spot section on the platform. Spot trading allows you to buy and sell cryptocurrencies for immediate delivery. It's the classic way of trading in cryptocurrency. Once you've clicked on spot, you're just a step away from converting your coins. Look for the option labeled Convert, which is specifically designed to make the process of swapping one cryptocurrency for another simpler and more user-friendly. Now on to the conversion details. The first step here is to select your currencies. You'll want to choose the cryptocurrency that you're planning to convert from, which could typically be one of the more popular coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In the subsequent field, set USDT as the currency you wish to convert to. USDT is a stablecoin and is often used for transactions within the cryptocurrency world due to its stability and compatibility. After you've selected the currencies, the next step is to enter the amount of the coin you intend to convert. Be precise here, as this will determine how much USDT you will receive. Pay close attention to the entry field to ensure that no mistakes are made during this crucial stage. Once you have entered the desired amount, it's time to review your transaction. Take a moment to carefully examine the conversion rate presented. This gives you an idea of the value you're receiving and is a critical component of cryptocurrency trading. If everything looks good and you're satisfied with the rate displayed, go ahead and confirm the transaction. With the confirmation, the conversion process is completed. The USDT you've acquired will appear directly in your spot account, ready for you to use, save, or perhaps start trading with again. It's as straightforward as that, a seamless method to convert coins into a more stable form or to diversify your portfolio within the platform. Remember to always ensure security by double-checking your transactions and keeping your account information secure. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure to stay tuned for more cryptocurrency trading tips and insights. Happy trading!